Indore police caught 18 people traveling from Maharashtra to Lucknow in a concrete mixer truck in Sanwer area on Saturday. All of them have been sent to quarantine facility and cops have filed an FIR in the matter. According to DSP Umakant Choudhary, truck was stopped by cops during checking at Sanwer. The truck driver Sahib Hussain, who hails from Uttar Pradesh, was handed over to Sanwer police station staff where he was booked under section 188 of the IPC. All the 18 migrants from UP were sent to quarantine center in the area and administration was informed about the same. This comes a day after the central government extended the lockdown for 2 more weeks. India will now be under lockdown till May 17. News Desk.
कितने लोग हैं और ये अरे एक तरफ खड़े हो, जरा गिनो इनको, वो थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस बना के रखो। अरे वही